Hi everyone. In my last video on Node.js, we looked at how to set up a full REST API project with Express and TypeScript. So today, we will see how to connect to a Mongo database from our Node.js application and try to save a few records and retrieve them dynamically. First of all, in order to connect to the database and to define the database schema, we will use Mongoose. Mongoose is one of well-known object modeling tool meant for Node.js. Okay, so I will be reusing our previous project and make improvements to our user API. We will make our existing getUsers method to return a dynamic user list from the database and add a new method to save new user records. As our first step, let's install Mongoose npm package. Once the package is installed, we can import it to our app.ts. Before we proceed, if you still do not have Mongo Database and MongoDB Compass installed in your computer, you can go to the Mongo Compass official website and download. Once you have installed Mongo, log into the Compass and create a new database for your project. Now let's add some code to connect to our database using Mongoose. Since I'm creating this as a demo, I have not set any password for the database. But when you are using it for a real-life project, please specify credentials of the database at this place. Let's run and test if our connection is successful. Now we will create a simple schema for user schema, and we will use it in our API. We will define our user schema with name and email fields. Now, let's go to our user service and import our schema. And we will create a new method to save a new user request in our databases. For your info, please follow my first video to follow up on project structure and API structure, since this video is a continuation with the same demo project. Okay, now we have our new API to create users ready. Let's run and test our API. Looks like we have an issue with capturing the request at our method. This can be mostly because we did not parse our request. Let's go ahead and install a body parser for Node.js and try again. Now, our save method is working fine. Let's check our database records also to verify. Okay, all our records have been inserted successfully. As our last step, let's go and modify our static getUser API to return dynamic data from database. That's all guys, in my next video we will continue our project and try to use Redis to implement caching. Thank you for watching.